So the baby is here today. I still can't talk. I'm swollen. And I have been fasting for 42 hours. Involuntarily. But you know what? Sometimes when you ask the universe for things and you're really not like, the universe will keep you accountable. I'm serious. So right now I'm going to make some potatoes. I'm going to make some sweet potatoes in the air fryer. You put them in for 370 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes, maybe even 45, I don't know, we'll see. Like that. Let's go with 40 for now, just to be safe. You ask for something from the universe, be ready. The universe will likely give it to you, but if you're not taking the proper action or steps to it, they'll make sure you get what you're asking for. I've been on antibiotics for a day now. Sleeping has also been hard. Ugh. It hurts. I can't even close my mouth. The first night it started hurting bad, I still kept eating. Why am I such a glutton? Now I don't know what to eat. And yet that's like nutritious, you know? And like just not too much, you know, so you could just gum it. That's really what it is right now. We are at a point of gumming food. Just gumming it. I guess you'll be seeing more of me. I adjusted it to 45 minutes, but I think it's done. Now we just gotta like let it sit. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see. I'll just turn on the light. Oh yeah. This is done. Yeah, we gotta let it sit. Oh man, that's like another hour of cooling. Wow, look at that. She says she's been eating like that since she was a kid. Wow, really? Okay. I definitely do not have time to wait, so I'm going to take one first. I'm gonna mush it up. I cannot. Look at that steam. Oh,
bye-bye.
Can't do that. Ooh, look at that steam.
You want to eat it? Too hard.
Oh. I don't like baking sweet potatoes because they take so long. Honestly, 45 minutes. Oh. It's too sweet. Look. It's too sweet. You want some, baby?
No.
I gotta get something in. I have to get something into my system because being the fact that I was an ADFer, honestly, if you are in the intermittent fasting space, you know what ADF is. That's basically alternate day fasting, which is 36-12. Yeah, I was one of those. I could fast for a very, very long time, let's just say. My body's probably muscle memory. I was fasting for 5 years. Before like this year, I briefly like was on and off about it because I was babysitting, and when you're babysitting, you really can't do that. You have to try everything that you're cooking them. That's a very sweet. Oh my gosh. I have potato and taro. I didn't cook this, but my mother steamed some potato and taro with some bone meat, and I just mashed it up with some soy sauce, and it's the texture of mofongo. If you know, you know. If it looks like mofongo, I'm going to serve it up like mofongo. That's the broth bones, and let's see how it tastes. I think it's going to be a little bland, but whatever. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about gumming food, but here, let's try it. Holy ish, it's really good. It's so flavorful. It's like buttery. I did not expect this. Oh my god. There's soy sauce, taro, steamed pumpkin. There was pork in here, but the pork was taken out, so maybe it's like the pork fat that makes it so yummy. Oh, I'm content with this. I can eat like this. I'm okay with this. Mmm. Look at that. Bam. Yeah, there's some meat in it. I couldn't get it all out, but I have legit been sitting here for an hour trying to finish this. It's really good, but honestly, I've never sat at the dinner table for an hour trying to gum food. Well, this is definitely one way to lose weight. But what can you do about it? I gotta wait for the antibiotics to kick in. It's going to be just oatmeal going forward. And then I'm going to have to like gargle some salt water. Some strong salt water. This is what we're doing today. It's so cozy. I don't know, I just gotta go out to get some exercise. Our haul today, an ice cream truck and some fruit snacks. I looked over and this is what I saw. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but maybe this time it'll be less sweet. One of my friends just accused me for deliberately looking like unappealing on camera. They said, why do you always take like videos of yourself from the worst angles with your double chin and everything? And I was just like, well, one, I guess probably because I no longer care. And two, I guess it's probably because then that'll make the glow up look like, wow, you know? Because let's be honest, it's easy to look from here. It's easy. Or somewhat easy. I look like trash right now, but this is character. Hello, my peoples. So I am back, and I've already took a few bites. But honestly, this one, I was right. This one is not as sweet as yesterday. I cooked it for only 5 minutes less, but it's less sweet. I wonder if these would go good with like kimchi. I love like Asian sweet potato with kimchi. I do. So good. But I wonder if these taste good with, I don't think so. Different sweetnesses, like different sweet profiles. I'm telling y'all right now, this is not making me more grateful, but honestly, yay. I guess this is going to like kickstart my eating healthy habits. This is good. All the food I can't have. Shake my damn head.